Make your videos pop. Top 19 Video Intro Templates and Intro Maker Sites. In today's digital world, video content is king. Whether you're a budding vlogger, a small business owner, or a hobbyist filmmaker, you'll want to do whatever you can to make your video content stand out from the crowd in such a competitive space. Draw attention immediately with slickly designed, professional video intro templates. Are you a filmmaker with experience working with professional software? Great, we have premium and free intro video templates you'll be interested in to kickstart your next project. Don't have any video experience? No problem at all. There are plenty of drag and drop products you can use to customize your own video intros, without needing any digital design skills. We'll get to those video makers later, but first, some killer templates. Summary. Part 1, Top 12 Video Intro Templates for Creatives. After Effects, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro. Part 2, 10 Best All-in-One Intro Makers Solutions. Part 1, Top 12 Video Intro Templates for Creatives. After Effects. 1 Free Parallax Opener. You don't have to dig far in the Motion Array library to find some stylish templates to use in your video projects. Parallax is a way of animating still images to give them some motion, and this project is pre-built and ready to go. The modular After Effects template makes it easy for you to change the images and edit the text. Best of all, this intro template is free. 2 Free Modern Fast Promo. This incredible After Effects template is packed full of slick transitions and professional, clean designs. The project couldn't be more simply laid out and easy to edit, so what are you waiting for? Jump in and create a brilliant intro for your video in minutes. Premiere Pro. 3 Jumpy Logo. Here's a short but punchy logo intro, perfect for your corporate video or YouTube channel. Swap out the logo and the music, edit the text, and boom, an instant attention-grabbing video intro. All for free. 4 Brush Stylish Logo. Jump into Premiere Pro and have some fun with this creative brush style logo reveal. There are 3 options in this pack and even include square and vertical aspect ratios to make it perfect for social and mobile devices. Another freebie for you. 5 Gradients Logo. This vibrant, minimalist logo reveal uses some bright colors to make the perfect eye-catching video intro for your YouTube channel. Simply drop it into Premiere Pro and change the logo and the tagline to get started. 6 Logo Transitions. Break up the flow of your videos with these logo transitions. Use the 5 types of transition styles in this pack to keep the branding consistent throughout your YouTube channel video content. DaVinci Resolve. 7 Digital Logo. Are you creating a tech or gaming related channel? This stylish, glitchy logo resolve is the perfect opening to your video content and can be edited easily in DaVinci Resolve. 8 Opener Logo. Fast, impactful, powerful. An extremely sharp animation to kick off your video project with a bang. Completely editable text and transitions that pack a punch. 9 Urban Sports Promo. The stylish transitions and animations in this slideshow template will work great with any footage but lend themselves particularly well to urban projects. Music videos, grungy documentaries. Explore the city with this clean, modern DaVinci Resolve template. Final Cut Pro. 10 Flex Typo, Intro Generator. Infuse your titles and text with energy and flexible movement that turns the screen into a wild flow. Type in your intro text and watch it come to life with smooth geometric shape transitions and end with your branding. You can easily edit and customize the color to match your logo. 11 Fast Modern Intro. Smoothly animated transitions that flicker to the beat of music. Create a cool new opener for your social accounts. Use the Fast Modern Intro to effectively introduce your brand or create a short promo for your upcoming launch. With 14 media, 20 texts, plus 1 logo placeholder, you definitely need to add this to your arsenal. 12 VHS Urban Intro. Add a touch of retro feel with smooth glitch transitions to your next intro promo or teaser for upcoming announcements. It comes in 2 different resolutions so you can match both your YouTube as well as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok posts. Create a trendy and eye-catching video to impress and grow your audience online. Part 2, 10 Best All-in-One Intro Makers Solutions. Don't have any experience with design software like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve? Don't panic. There's a whole range of ready-to-go, drag-and-drop video template makers out there to work with. These don't require any video production skills at all, but the drawback is that the limitations of the templates restrict your creativity. But that doesn't mean there will not be something here you can use. Let's dive in. 1. Panzoid. Panzoid is a community-based platform for designers to create, upload, and share their work. Create your own video intro from scratch or boot up another user's and customize it for your project. The quality mostly depends on the other users, and the 3D editor can take a bit of getting used to, but have a look around and you'll soon find some content that would be great for YouTube channels. 2. Biteable. Free, remove watermarks and download at $23/month. If you're looking for something a bit cleaner and more accessible, Biteable may be more up your street. The animations are modern, snappy, and there is a huge range of options. Whether you want to make a corporate video for your business, a personalized thank you video, or a neat animation for your social media channel, you'll find something here to use. The templates are easily editable and you can turn around a video in just a few minutes. 3. Renderforest. Renderforest has a varied selection of projects, including logo reveals, corporate presentations, and explainer video toolkits. Although the editor is easy to use, the templates are not quite generic enough to use in a wide range of projects. You need to find the exact one that would fit your video to get the most use out of it. 4. Animaker. The animations featured in Animaker are clean, simple, and can be used in a variety of content. The drag-and-drop editor is dead simple to use, and the wide range of styles is perfect for inspiring your content strategy. Try making an animated infographic, a slick Instagram story, or a seasonal greeting. 5. Adobe Express. If Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects are too much to deal with right now, try using Adobe Express to create a professional, clean video intro. The editor is simple to use. The only limitations are with the pre-designed layouts that may not include the perfect design for your project. 6. MotionDen. MotionDen boasts one of the simplest editors in this list, making it incredibly easy to jump into the program and create a video intro. Pay a monthly fee for unlimited videos or remove the watermarks from one video at a time for a small price. Primarily focused on logos, choose from all kinds of designs for vibrant, retro, horror projects, or countless others. You may want to look elsewhere to create full videos. 7. VideoCreek and InVideo. VideoCreek features a huge number of logo resolves that make extensive use of particle effects. They include vibrant colors, epic animations, stylish particles, and more. In fact, VideoCreek's love affair with particle effects may also be its biggest downside, because clean, minimal templates are hard to come by. However, it's completely free, so you can jump in whenever you like. 8. Placeit. An easy-to-use editor and some professional templates make Placeit a very attractive option for content marketers in a hurry. Here you'll find logo reveals, clean animated transitions, and even promos for retail sales that would be great for social media. 9. Tube Arsenal. No design experience is necessary for this one. Specifically created to help YouTubers grow their channels using professional animations of logos and lower thirds, the customizer is simple to use in your web browser. The templates are not always the most inspiring designs, but if you're looking for a place to get started quickly, then Tube Arsenal could be a good option. 10. Video Bolt. Want to give your video intro a cool, retro 80s vibe? Or how about an old-school cartoon look? There are some very creative options in Video Bolt, which can be great for some projects but may be a bit limited for others. Upgrade to Pro to unlock the premium features. So, there you have it. A huge amount of video intro templates and makers are perfect for the experienced designer or hobbyist. There's really no excuse not to have slick, professionally designed intros in your videos. So whether you dive into Adobe design software to create something yourself or have a play around with online video creators on your lunch break, it's time to elevate your video production to the next level.